What's up, everybody? It's your boy Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So it's a holiday season, 2018, and I've been making a few videos about the LG G6, and a lot of people been hitting me in the comments, been telling me that they've been picking up the LG G6 for cheap. Some people saying $50 poured in. Some people saying it's 185 bucks. Some people have been saying you could definitely find this phone for under $200. Well, we got this oldest brothers here, which is the LG G7 and the V40. Let's do a camera review between all three of these devices. Right now it's about midday time, so the sun is going down. It's cold and it's dim. So let's put these three cameras to the test and see which one is king supreme. Let's see if the LG G6 can keep up with the older brothers. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready. Let's have some fun, camera style. Let's go. All right, guys, so here it is. I got the LG G6, the LG G7, and the LG V40 1080p, 30 frames per second. I'm going to go audio from side to side with all three devices so you can hear the audio. Now, I'm doing this in daytime, and because, you know, a lot of people ask the question, can the LG G6 compete with the big dogs? And, you know, the LG G6 coming in at a very, very cheap price of under 200 bucks in some scenarios. Can it compete with the big dogs? Now, look at this. The LG G6 and the LG G7 and the V40, which one will give you the big quality there? Now, I'm looking at the viewfinder, and I can tell you that all three devices look good, but you be the judge for yourself. And I tell you, I love the LG G6. A lot of people been mentioning in the comments about how much they love the LG G6, and I can tell you, look at that. Look how pretty that is compared to other devices. I'm looking at the viewfinder, and all three devices look good, but you be the judge for yourself. Can a $200 phone compete with its brothers of 2017 and 2018? There it is, right? We all know that the LG G7 came out in 2018 and the LG V40 is the new kid on the block, but you be the judge for yourself. This is 1080p, 30 frames per second. Now, of course, the LG G6 does not have 1080p, I'm sorry, it does not have 4K 60, but it's all good. It's all good. Look at the quality of that plant. And let's go close here to this tree. And let's get some focus points. Look at that. Look at the details on all three devices. And let's go down and do some focus points. Boom. There it is. Which device focused the fastest? And you be the judge for yourself. Look at the details. I mean, I'm really deep into that. And the LG G6 looking good right now. Looking very good. All right, let's go to switch to 4K. All right, so this is 4K. And look at that. Look at 4K on all three devices. Look at the details of that plant. Just look at that, real deep into that plant. And I'm looking at the viewfinder and I'm not seeing any differences, but you be the judge for yourself. Again, the LG G6 is one of my favorite phones, especially when it comes down to the cameras. And I'm shooting this in auto mode, but I received all the updates with the ThinQ technology and everything. Oh, has the LG G6 stepped up to the plate? 4K. All right. Now, one of the things that I'm seeing on the LG G6 is that I'm not limited to 5 minutes or 10 minutes at 4K. So look like I can record a very long time here with all three devices. Well, the LG V40 giving me a limitation of 10 minutes at 4K, and this is not 4K 60, by the way, because the LG G6 does not have 4K 60, so this is regular 4K. But look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Now, if you can look at the sky there, can the device handle the sky when it comes down to the brightness? So see when I'm going up and down here, the white balance is kicking in on all three devices. And as you can see the sky. Now look at that blue. That sky is blue. You be the judge for yourself. This is 4K. Wow. Yes, as I walk, optical image stabilization on all three devices. And I can tell you that you be the judge for yourself. I don't see any problems with the LG G6. Let's go on and switch to the front facing camera with this device. All right, guys, so this is the front facing cameras of the LG G6, the LG G7, and the V40. Now, one of the biggest complaints that I had about the LG G6 was the front facing camera was not that great. But again, I received some updates, and I'm looking right now, and I'm kind of astonished the way the front-facing camera looks right now in the LG G6. Maybe it was some software updates that fixed some of the issues with the LG G6 when it come down to the front-facing camera, because you know that's everybody's biggest complaint about the LG G6 was the camera, the front-facing camera. But wow, it has looking good right now, a little better than it was. Not the best compared to the V40 and the LG G7, but look like LG fixed some things. Again, look at that. Look, it's not the best, as you can see, but it's cold out here, and look at the background. And I want y'all guys to see the background a little bit as I move. It's very difficult to hold three phones in my hand, but I do my best here. And so these are the videos that I'm making. I will continue to make videos with the LG G6, LG G7, V40 to get y'all some more details about these devices because, I mean, it's a fan favorite, especially the LG G6 with the price point. Go Saints. Yeah, so this is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the LG G6, the LG G7, and the LG V40. See you guys on the next video. Peace. This portion of the video is sponsored by ProXPN. Get your guard up. More than ever, your freedom and your privacy when online is under threat. Government and ISPs want control of what you can and cannot see, while keeping record of everything that you do. So what is ProXPN? ProXPN is an easy-to-use service that secures your internet connection against eavesdropping. It also keeps everything you do online hidden from prying eyes and masks your physical location and gives you unfettered access to any website or web services, no matter where you live or happen to travel to. So use my code and get 50% off. I will leave all the links down in the description. I want to thank ProXPN for sponsoring this portion of the video.